If you want to start making online, then watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment on this video telling us what you've learned from this video. Let's get started. SEO stands Search Engine Optimization and describes the process of optimizing a website or anything else for a given search engine. In other words, if you have a website or blog and you want to maximize the number of people that are visiting, you will likely use SEO techniques in order to get it to rank more highly for various search terms on Google. This way, if you have a website selling hats in Southampton, you'll now be able to ensure that when someone searches "buy hat Southampton," your site is one of the ones that comes up first. Of course, it takes a lot of time and effort, but this is the basic concept and it can provide excellent ROI, seeing as most people use Google to find what they're looking for online. But Google is not the only search engine. Of course there's Bing, but moreover there are also multiple different search engines built into specific services. The second largest search engine in the world, in fact, is YouTube. Another example of a search engine is Amazon. You probably knew this was where I was going with this. Amazon is first and foremost an e-commerce store, but with thousands upon thousands of products to sell, it needs a system in place for people to navigate around and find the ones they're looking for. Thus, it has a search engine built in which lets people quickly find the specific items they want. And as with Google, there are ways that the savvy seller can optimize for that search engine to ensure that their products show up for a large number of search terms. Here we will look at some of those. Keywords and key phrases. When you're using any type of search engine to look for a product, you will tend to do so by typing in a particular word or phrase. If you were using Google to try an information about raising a dog, for instance, you might type "tips for dog owners." On Amazon, meanwhile, you might be looking for hats again, so you might type "hat" or "trendy hat" or "hat for men." This is what you call a keyword or a key phrase, and that's what you want your listing to show up for. How do you do that? By ensuring that you have key phrases embedded into your text. That means adding the words a few times in order to make sure that your text matches what people are searching. The tricky part, though, is that you need to choose the right key phrases and keywords to begin with that people are actually look for, and b, use the right keyword density in order to ensure you have the right number of phrases for the size of your text. If you overdo it, then you can risk your listing looking like it's trying to spam the system, and that could lead to penalization. Not only that, but it will make your listing look like spam to potential customers. There's no point getting to the top and then turning people off with your patter. A common strategy for many business owners is to use their keyword in the product title itself. This can be a great way to quickly get to the top of the SERPs, search engine results pages, but again you need to avoid letting this harm your branding or your reputation. You can always use a combination, kilo glove, boxing glove for martial arts rather than just kilo glove, or boxing glove for martial arts. Many of the best keyword tools, such as Keyword Tool, www.keywordtool.io, actually let you search for the top-ranking search terms on Amazon. This way, you can see precisely what people are looking for, and then customize your product's description to match. Rating and reviews for Amazon products. The rating that your product has is also an important point which can have a big impact on your ranking, which is a metric that doesn't apply to other search engines like Google, though it does to YouTube, of course. Make sure that your product is good and that your description is clear. Remember that you want to under-promise and over-deliver if you're trying to get the best reviews. Another important tip is to respond quickly to negative reviews. If you can give a good explanation and perhaps offer compensation, then reviewers might even improve their score. Of course, your reviews can also directly influence individual sales for better or for worse. Make sure that a few bad reviews don't make potential buyers turn to your competition. You can improve your average review in a few ways: overdeliver by offering something for free or under-promising on delivery times, reduce the price to ensure amazing value, listen to feedback and speak with your manufacturers to fix issues, never ask for reviews. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Amazon SEO. Make sure you consider the different ways to rank more highly and incorporate those into your Amazon strategy, and you should find you can greatly increase your sales and profits. Now click on the first link in the description. There will be a free video showing you the easiest way to make money online. Thanks for watching.